Hello, my name is Umar Ahmed. I'm showing you my DevOps assignment part 2, or second DevOps assignment. Here, this is the Git repository, which has the web application and the manifest files, the deployment and the service YAML files, and then the Docker file as well, which is then used in these pipelines here. This is my one here, so we're just going to run the pipeline here as a quick test run on the pipeline. And as that's building, let's check the progress of the build. So we can see that it's just preparing currently. And after the preparations are complete, I'll be taking us through the external website through the Azure PowerShell command line. This is just going to take about a minute for this part, and then about another 30 seconds to deploy. There we go, the building is finished, and now it should just take a little longer for the deployment to happen. There we go. Now that's all done. Now we're going to go over here. I've kind of already done a little test run here, as you can see, but we're just going to show everything from the start. So the first thing we need to do is merge the container registry and the Kubernetes service together with the following command. And just give that 1 second to merge there. It seems I've made a little error somewhere. Yep. Just left a bit of a space there. And now that should be fine. There we go. As you can see, it's now been merged together. And now we can go over to the PowerShell and check out the different pods. Just let PowerShell boot up there. There we go. And now to get the pod information so we can get the external IP. There we go. So as we can see, this is the external IP here. So if I just do a bit of neat copy pasting and chuck it into here, we can see a nice little web app here. And that is all. Thank you.